Hey, so if you're planning to look for jobs or research companies, yeah, creating an account on Glassdoor is the first step. In this quick guide, I'll show you how to create your account step by step. First, open Glassdoor on your browser or download the app. You can use your phone or computer, both work fine. Next, click on Sign Up or Join Now. So this is usually at the top right corner of the page. Now you'll see a few options. You can sign up using your email, Google account, or even Facebook in some cases. All right, if you choose email, just type your name, email address, and create a password. Make sure your password is strong and easy for you to remember. Next, check your email inbox. You'll get a verification link. Just click it to confirm your account. Once you're in, you can set up your profile. So add your job interests, experience, and skills to get better job recommendations. And that's it. You now have a Glassdoor account ready to use. From here, you can start searching jobs and exploring companies right away.